Hello everyone, myself Hans. Today we are going to solve the given problem from topic the sphere. Question is given: find the equation of a sphere which passes through the origin and intercept length is A, B, C on the x-axis, y-axis and z-axis respectively. Here in the given question we have to find the equation of a sphere which passes through origin and the intercept length A, B, C on the x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. Let's solve the problem. General equation of a sphere is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus of 2vy plus of 2wz plus of d is equal to 0. Let this equation 1. First we have to draw the axis here. This is x-axis and this is z-axis and this is y-axis. Once again, this is y-axis and here is origin 0, 0, 0 and on the x-axis we have to cutting here. X-axis, this is a point, this is a, 0, 0 and similarly for y-axis here this is point B, this is 0, B, 0. Similarly for z-axis here we have to putting this is C and 0, 0, C. This is the coordinates of x-axis, y-axis and z-axis and the origin is O. So we have to first given equation of a sphere passes through origin. First we have to the equation 1 passes through origin, so we have to put in place of x, y, z here. This is 0, putting in place of x 0 plus y is 0 plus z is 0 and plus 2ux is also 0, 2vy is also 0 and 2wz is also 0. Then remaining is plus d is equal to 0 and from here we have to get d is equal to 0. Similarly, equation 1 passes through the point A, coordinates points A, x-axis, passes through x-axis. The point of x-axis is A, 0, 0. So we have to put in place of this is A. In place of x we have to put in A, this is A square and y is 0, z is 0 and 2ux we get here 2ua and 2vy here y is 0, 2wz is 0 and d is already we have to find d is also 0, so we have this is equal to 0 and from here we have to get a is taken outside, a is taking common, we get here a plus of 2u is equal to 0. A is taken to the denominator of 0, then remaining is a plus 2u is equal to 0 and we get here a 2u is equal to minus of a and u is equal to minus of a by 2. Similarly, equation 1 passes through y-axis and the coordinates of y-axis is 0, b, 0. So we have to put it here. It passes through y-axis. We have to put in equation 1 here. In the equation 1, this is x is 0, y is b, so we have to put in here b square and here z is also 0, then 2ux is 0, 2vy in place of we have to put in 2vb and 2wz is 0 and d is already 0, so from here we have to get here b is taking common, we get b plus of 2v is equal to 0 and from here b is taken to the denominator of 0, we get here b plus of 2v is equal to 0 and 2b is equal to minus of b, and from here we get v is equal to minus of b by 2. Similarly, it is passes through z axis and the coordinates of z axis is 0, 0, c. It passes through z axis and the coordinates of z axis is 0, 0, c. And the equation 1 passes through z axis. We have to put in place of x is 0, y is 0 and z is c. So we have to put in c square plus 2x is 0, 2by is 0, 2wz. We get here 2wc, and d is already 0, so we have to get here. And from here we have to take common c from left hand side. This is c plus 2w is equal to 0. C is taken to denominator of 0, we get 0. C plus of 2w is equal to 0, we get 2w is equal to minus of c, and w is equal to minus of c by 2. And putting the value of u, v, w and d in the equation 1, we get the required equation of a sphere passes through origin and intercept length is ABC on the x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. So we have to rough here. Putting the value of u, v and u, v once again, u, v, w and d in equation 1. So we have to put in here, this is x square plus of y square plus of z square, and in place of u we have to put in here, this is from here u is equal to minus of a by 2. So we have to put in here 2 into minus of a by 2 into x plus of 2. The value of v is here minus of b by 2 into y. Similarly, we have to put 2w. The value of w is here minus of c by 2 into z, and d is 0. And further we have to solve. We get the required equation here. We get here 2 to 2 is cancelled out and 2 to 2 is cancelled out. Here is also 2 to 2 is cancelled out. Then x square plus of y square plus of z square minus of ax minus of by and minus of, once again, minus of by minus of cz is equal to 0. This is the equation of a sphere which passes through the origin and intercept length is ABC on the x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. Thank you class and thank you for watching. This is the required solution of the given problem.